Hi, I'm Gaurav.
Hey, I'm Nalini.
So we would like to really thank Palak Shah and the entire team of the Palak Shah Interiors who have made our dream possible. And we would like to, we are going to spend years together in that flat, living with the interior, what she has done. And this is something which converts a house to a home. So that journey Palak has been all through, from the minor design to the final execution, and with the outcome which you are seeing today. So we really thank you, Palak, for all the support and all the way you have executed the project.
Right, you were there for the entire duration. Any smallest of our request, you have accommodated.
The selection of the
The color
laminates.
selection, the overall complementing the colors and themes. That's what whatever she suggested was really good, and we try to keep her design in our execution as well. We have tried to remain as true to the design as possible while the execution also. Yeah, so what we really liked about Palak is that she already had lots of good ideas. She was very methodical. She asked us our preferences, what is it we are looking for in our house, and based on that, she gave lots of suggestions.
So with that in mind, we started that for the interior design part. So we initially had consulted many of the consultants in Pune. There are a lot of good work which has been done in and around that locality where we have bought our house.
And uh, yeah, the design looks really fabulous, and we are um, hoping to spend a lot of time there and enjoy the complete house.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Palak, I'm an interior designer. Today I'm going to show you the home tour of the house which we have recently finished, which is in Eon Home. So ये जो project था, which is very near to my heart because the execution and designing process went so nice and so smooth. The client was so cooperative in the entire process that we thoroughly enjoyed doing this project. Without wasting more time, let me show you around. So to start with, first we have this console unit design in the 3D, and this is the final outcome. Let me show you the details of this area. So this is the main door. Once you enter in the house, you have this beautiful console space with some sitting on the side. So ये जो घर हमने डिजाइन किया है, this falls under the luxurious category based on the material we have utilized and the design which we have done. So to start with, this is a console unit. यहाँ पे as you can see, we have taken some nice bright color.
Yes, right.
One thing I really liked that she had proposed a very good entrance, the shoe rack color, and while we were kind of backing out that maybe we don't want to put in that much energy and effort there. But she had the vision that the entrance has to look fabulous because that will go with overall design, and I'm glad that she insisted and executed that design.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ये पूरा PU में किया हुआ है because the details which you see over here, this is not possible in the laminate with the same finishing. I'm not saying it is not possible. Definitely you can get the same design in the laminate, but the finishing which we have arrived over here, it is not possible in the laminate finish. So this is a PU finish console. We did not wanted any handles coming out. So this is a push magnet storage. You can just push it and open it, and then we have this shelves which are also removable shelf for the shoe storage. Then we have a drawer. So whenever we design any console in the entrance of the house, we always suggest our clients कि आप ऊपर का जो portion है उसको separate drawer storage दे दो, so that if you want to keep the keys or some miscellaneous item, you can just keep it separate. So this is also a push drawer. And then we have a nice wooden cut touch on the top which continues on the sides, and this is a sitting area which also has some storage. On the accent wall of the entrance we have this beautiful wall lights. As you can see over here in the 3D, just look at the lights which we have proposed for the client's approval and what we have got. So this is exactly matching with the design which we propose, and then we have this nice beautiful wallpaper which has the golden ka little tint and it looks amazing. So we have these lights on the corner. And now let me take you to the main living area of the house.
Secondly, I would say that if you see our house, we had a different, every bedroom and living room and all the rooms have a different theme. Even in the living room, there are two areas we wanted a different theme. A dining space, we wanted a different theme. In the living area where we sat, we wanted a different theme. So that way, we also discussed with Palak that come up with multiple design options. And I would say that from the Palak Shah Interior, the entire group, I would like to thank and really appreciate that the number of iterations of design they could come up, options of designs they came up with. And many a times it happened so that they came up with a complete design and we had rejected the entire thing. No, we are not want that. We want our theme is like we want our living room to be something like a bit posh look.
So now let me show you the most beautiful place of any home where we create most of the memories with our friends or family. So we have tried our best to give them the best aura over here. We have tried many different themes and options for this living area, and finally what we have arrived was amazing. So let me first show you the main wall, which is sofa accent wall, how we designed that wall in the 3D. And this is the final outcome. Now let me show you the details of that area. So now this is the main accent wall of this living area. यहाँ पे हमने grey shade लिया हुआ है on the wall, molding design की हुई है, and then we have this beautiful wall light on the side. Sofa, as you can see, 3D में हमने जो propose किया था, we have exactly customized the same sofa over here. यहाँ पे हमने बहुत ही एक प्यारा पिंक का शेड लिया हुआ है और ये कस्टमाइज सोफा हमने किया हुआ है with the golden touch on the bottom. This is a 3-seater sofa. With that, we have this 2-seater sofa which is a frame sofa. ये भी हमने कस्टमाइज किया हुआ है, हमने यहाँ पे खुद बनाया हुआ है. Then we have this nesting center table over here which also has a storage. So, and it easily goes below this main table, so you have a free space. We have the terrace next to the living area. जैसे 3D में you can see over here, हमने जो concept curtains का दिया हुआ है, on actual site also we have followed the same concept for the colors, and then we have the sheer curtain in the center and solid on the side. At the same time, as you know, whatever homes we design, most of our homes has the main element in the living area, and that is the swing. If you follow us, you know that whatever home we design, recently all our homes has the main element in the living area, and that is the swing. यहाँ का जो swing है वो भी हमने customize किया हुआ है. So this is the swing we propose in 3D, and this is the final outcome. Now let me show you how we have designed this swing. ये जो swing है that is a reversible swing. ये पूरा swing हमने customize किया हुआ है. As you can see, ceiling में we have this nice louvers panel. वहाँ से हमारे swing के जो rods है, that golden touch we have given on the rods, and then we have given the same tapestry which we have followed on the sofa, and this is a pure wood ka base, and we have this cane in the center. So as you can see in this layout, we have a swing in the center. हमारा opposite side पे dining कम bar area है, and then we have a living area. So what was the concept? The concept was कि जब आप dining area पे बैठे हो या तो you have some get together, तो आप swing तब इस तरफ से भी use कर पाओ, and when you are sitting in the living area side, you can use the swing from that side also. So this is a reversible back which we have designed. You can easily put it on the other side, and this is the comfortable swing. When you want to use the living area side, you can just flip it back, and it is done. So this is about the living area side. So now let me show you the other side of the living area, which is the TV unit wall. So this is the 3D which we propose, and this is the final outcome. Let me show you the details. So we wanted to keep the TV unit wall very minimalistic. As you can see, हमने already colors use कर दिए हैं in the sofa and the swing. So this is more on a white and grey finish. सबसे पहले हमने दोनों तरफ मोल्डिंग डिजाइन किया हुआ है और जो लाइट्स हमने सोफा बैक पे यूज किया था वही सिमिलर डिजाइन हमने यहाँ पे किया हुआ है। देन वी हैव गिवन अ हिंट ऑफ अ मिरर ऑन बोथ द साइड, जिसकी बॉर्डर्स को हमने गोल्डन किया हुआ है। वी हैव अ ह्यूज टीवी यूनिट ऑन द सेंटर। नीचे हमने पूरा स्टोरेज किया हुआ है विच इज अगेन इन द पीयू। वी हैव सम ड्रॉवर्स एंड वी आल्सो हैव सम ओपन स्पेस। यहाँ पे सेंटर में हमारा टीवी आएगा। वी हैव दिस शेल्फ विच हैज द इनडायरेक्ट लाइट ऑन दैट एंड वी हैव सम स्पेस फॉर द आर्टिफैक्ट्स ऑन द टॉप। सो दिस इज अबाउट द टीवी यूनिट। Now let me take you to the other area.
Our dining area is something where we want a wine and dine kind of feature. I needed a bar counter, so that was like my den. I wanted some space over there. So she could accommodate that.
So now let me show you the dining and bar area. So this is how we have designed that area in the 3D. And this is the final outcome. So let me show you the details now. So this is the dining area exactly as you see in the 3Ds.
And if you see that we both are engineers, so once we have the drawing and the model, we stick to that. So that way we were very much adamant that this model is there, so we want this only, this color, this particular artifact. If it is lying there, then that only artifact we have got there. So that way she has in fact to the model, to the drawing, she has complied and already executed and given us the model, the vision which she started with. She could actually meet that, and that's really very appreciative thing.
This dining area, this chair is customized by us and we have tried कि exactly 3D के हिसाब से हमने जो propose किया था वही हमने actual execution में यहाँ पे बना के दिया हुआ है. So this is fully upholstery chairs and this is a PU finished dining table. On the other side we have this bar unit which looks very elegant. So as you have seen in the entrance, हमने console में जो color लिया था, we wanted to give some connection with the console to the dining because it is in the same area. तो इसका जो upholstery, fully upholstery chair जो है वो हमने उसका ही एकदम mild tone लिया हुआ है. And we wanted to add some golden touch in the entire living area. As you can see, हमने स्विंग में रॉड्स में लिया हुआ है गोल्डन टच. देन जो टीवी यूनिट वॉल था उसके जो मिरर थे उसमें लिया हुआ है. देन द लाइट्स व्हिच वी हैव सिलेक्टेड उसका जो बेस है वो भी गोल्डन फिनिश वाला है. इन द एंट्रेंस भी आपने जो लाइट्स देखी है वॉल लाइट्स उसमें भी गोल्डन टच है. तो सेम चीज हमें यहाँ पे भी चाहिए था. सो द बार यूनिट विच वी हैव डिजाइन उसका हमने जो प्रोफाइल शटर है उसको गोल्डन फिनिश में लिया हुआ है. सो दिस इज आवर बार यूनिट. We have this racks over here and some place for the storage. We have lights on the top. Then we have this small storage over here. यहाँ पे because we have a bar unit, definitely we wanted some space जहाँ पे if they want they can utilize it for the preparation. So यहाँ पे we have one tray where they can prepare the drinks. And then we have the storage on the bottom. So we have some shelf and the drawers on the bottom. Next to the bar unit we have this crockery unit. ये हमारा पूरा PU finish में है. As you can see the 3D of this area over here. This is exactly same. We have designed this customized shutters. On that we have done the PU. ये पूरा जो crockery unit है वो push to open storage है. We have the internal division as per the client's requirement. This is a PU finish top. तो उसके ऊपर हमने एक clear glass रख दिया है because this also works as a service counter. Because जब भी यहाँ पे कुछ get together वगैरह है, they want to utilize this space as a preparation counter और service counter. तो वो damage free रहे PU, उसके लिए हमने clear glass इसके ऊपर बिठा दिया है. Same which we have done on the dining also. On the dining accent wall, we love using mirror on the dining wall because it gives you very lavish look. At the same time, when you enter, definitely it gives you an illusion कि घर काफी बड़ा है. So we love using mirror in the entrance. Same way यहाँ पे भी हमने golden touch दिया हुआ है and we have some molding design. And as you see over here in 3D, we again have the same lights on the wall as per the 3D suggestion. On the other side we have this wall जहाँ पे हमारा एक window आ रहा है. To cover that window we have this minimalistic blind, and over here we have given a customized wallpaper with a wooden brick finish. यहाँ पे हमने दो bohemian shelf लिए हुए हैं which also has the light to keep the artifacts. So this is about the dining area. Let me take you to the other area.
Of the thing that she especially captured was that I am a book lover and I wanted to have a space which is dedicated for keeping my books and study and everything. So she had a very good idea of putting a Murphy bed, which would eventually convert into a very good book rack also. So I think I was sold on that idea itself, that we are going ahead with her.
Yeah, so our one requirement always was that one room we wanted that where we have a kind of what you call modular kind of thing, where we needed a foldable bed. We needed something a multi-utility kind of room, where whenever required we have the space available, where that space can be used for anything. It can be for any occasion. It can be used for doing something, some event at house, and also for the the puja unit where we wanted, that also is accommodated there. So that modular kind of thing, she came with that idea of that Murphy bed, which was really unique. We had seen that a couple of times every some at some places, but she showed that what based on whatever we said that this is what we are looking at, that Palak could come out with all those design ideas. This was something which was missing while discussing with some other designers. They were going by the conventional designs which were already available in the market, and in most of the houses you see that. But that was a unique thing which she could come out with the idea of the Murphy bed. And not only that, our puja unit and the study table, that also got accommodated in the same space. So that was really amazing, and I would say that that Palak has got that vision and I mean, thought of converting our requirement and necessity into a convertible design and then into a final product. So that
Right.
kind of realization she could really manage, and which is really commendable.
So now this is the multi-purpose room of this house. So client का जो requirement था for this room. So first they wanted a double bed. They wanted a proper big book storage. They wanted a storage where the guest comes. They want to keep their belongings. तो उसके लिए storage कम wardrobe, कम console. Then puja unit with sitting and a working desk and lots of loft storage space. So this was the requirement for this 10 by 10 room. So how we have managed everything. Even after implementing all this requirement, you can see how much space we have in this room. So this is the best multi-purpose room you will ever see, I can say that. So let me start with the main wall of this bedroom, that is the bedside wall. So to start with, first let me show you how we have designed the main wall of this room in the 3D. And this is how it is looking in the real. Now let me show you the detail and how we have accommodated all this requirement in this room. So first of all, the design which you see over here is a multi-purpose space. यहाँ पे हमने एक बुक शेल्फ जो उनका रिक्वायरमेंट था एंड सम आर्टिफैक्ट्स और स्टोरेज स्पेस भी उनको चाहिए था. सो वी हैव दिस एंटायर स्पेस फॉर दैट पर्पस एंड वी हैव अ नाइस डेस्क ऑल्सो. तो आपको कोई भी बुक्स वगैरह रखनी है तो यू कैन कीप इट वर्टिकली ऑल्सो, you can keep it horizontally also. So in this design we have made sure कि जैसे books है तो book के लिए उनको ये zigzag वाला जो storage है वो रहेगा. And if they want to keep something which has a straight base जो कि यहाँ पे V corner में नहीं रख सकते, for that they can utilize the below portion. यहाँ पे वो artifacts वगैरह भी रख सकते हैं. They can also keep the laptop or some bags, anything they can utilize in the bottom part of this design. और ऊपर का जो है वो बुक शेल्फ है. Now we have the puja unit on the right side. So now for the puja unit, as you can see, we have this beautiful Ganpati ka carving which is in acrylic, and definitely this is backlighted acrylic, so that जब भी आप just ये light start करते हो, it gives you very nice look. On the side we have this shelf, और यहाँ पे हमने wooden rafter की डिजाइन दी हुई है, and नीचे की तरफ हमने एक ट्रे दिया हुआ है, so that if they want to put any prasad or diya, they can utilize this space. And then they have some storage for the puja unit. नीचे हमने स्पेस दिया हुआ है, so if they want to keep the setting inside, it can just go like this, and still they have an open space. Now coming on the other side of this bookshelf, that is a working desk. So now on the other side of this bookshelf we have this working area. यहाँ पे हमने working desk पूरा white में लिया हुआ है. As you can see, the entire theme of this multi-purpose room is bottle green shade. यहाँ पे हमने wall पे वो कलर लिया हुआ है, और जो working desk है उसको हमने white में लिया है. So this is the working desk. We have the tray over here for the keyboard. Then we have this two shelves which has the lights. Now coming to the most amazing part of this multi-purpose room is, you must be wondering where is the bed and how we have such an open space when we have everything in one room. So the basic concept of designing this multi-purpose area is, they have this room extra. It is nothing like कि ये उनका bedroom है for the regular usage, and उसको हमने ये सारी चीजों में convert किया हुआ है. So definitely they wanted a extra bed space over here. So once you open this storage, as you can see over here, you can slide the storage on the sides and you get this nice huge Murphy bed. You can just pull it out very easily, and this takes lots of load. So if you have a query कि अगर ये Murphy bed है, how it will take load, how it will be for the safety purpose, definitely that is no issue. You can definitely go ahead for this in. And as you can see, we have a loft throughout from the start till end, so they have plenty of storage. And when they have the guests, they wanted a wardrobe kind of space, but eventually we make them understand that a console also works good if you have 2 or 3 days guests coming over. Wardrobe space काफी vertical हो जाता है, and it would have occupied lots more space. Rather, console looks little less heavier on the eye, and it also gives you nice look. Even if you want to just put some artifacts or something on top of that, it also works best. Future में अगर उनको TV रखना है तो भी वो directly console के ऊपर भी रख सकते हैं, because we have a TV point on that. So now let me show you the console side. So let me first show you how we have designed this console wall in the 3D, and this is the real outcome. So I know for this particular project it is really difficult for anybody to spot a difference कि कौन सा real image है और कौन सा after execution वाला, because we have made sure each and every detail is as per the 3D, because when we shared the final 3D with the client was like कि Palak, we love this proposed 3D so much कि आपको पूरा घर जो भी आप डिजाइन कर रहे हो, एग्जीक्यूट कर रहे हो, we just want कि आप 3D के हिसाब से करो. Be it a light, be it a sofa, dining table, anything, even the artifacts, if you'll see, they wanted everything as per the 3D. So this is a console unit. यहाँ पे हमने वही bottle green color carry forward किया हुआ है. This is a handleless console. We have given 2 drawers over here, which is again a soft close. We have done a designing with the T पट्टी. सो टी पट्टी जो है हमने ग्रू करके लगाया हुआ है, बिकॉज जो ऊपर से लगाते हैं विद एडेसिव वो कई बार निकल जाता है. सो इट इज बेटर ऑलवेज कि अगर आप टी पट्टी को ग्रू करके लगा दो. देन वी हैव दिस शटर स्टोरेज ओवर हियर विच इज अ पुश मैग्नेट, एंड वी हैव अ इंटरनल शेल्फ डिजाइंस इनसाइड. सो दिस इज अ पुश मैग्नेट ओपन शटर. And on the other side we have this beautiful photo collage. Client wanted the specific image on this wall. This is something which client has captured, and we have customized it into the wallpaper, and this is a nature scenery which they love it. And now let me show you the curtain size. So curtain में भी as you can see हमने 3D में जो shades दिए हैं curtain के, we have done exactly same over here, and we have a beautiful view outside.
and wherever required, even I would say now coming to her the other room which she has decorated. So that room you will see that it is mostly in pink. So the theme was that it should we want everything in pink, and which is a very difficult color to come up with a good combination of pink color, because pink slightly looks dull as such. So how to make it suit to the mood and the suit to the requirement which we are looking at.
So let me show you this bedroom. First of all, जो client का requirement था for this bedroom was they wanted a bed with storage, 2 side units, nice and big ceiling touch headboard, 1 folding working desk, wardrobe with storage. First of all, let me show you the main accent wall of this bedroom. So this is what we proposed in 3D design, and this is how we have executed it. Let me show you in detail. So I love the color palette of this bedroom. We have used the shades of pink, and उसको balance करने के लिए we have used the white color with some golden tint definitely. जो हेडबोर्ड है, हेडबोर्ड वॉल, एक्सेंट वॉल जो है हमारे ये बेड की, उसको हमने पूरा अपॉल्स्ट्री से किया हुआ है कुशनिंग. सो दिस इज एंटायर कुशन. उसके ऊपर जो हमने 3D में सजेस्ट किया था उसी हिसाब का हमने कस्टमाइज प्रिंटिंग करवाया हुआ है. देन वी हैव दिस 2 sides which comes little out, so that we have this indirect light over here. When all the lights are off and you just have this lights on, it gives you a very soothing look, and the light falls on the center headboard which gives a very classy look. On the sides we have this wallpaper which is also customized, and we have this hanging lights over here which looks very classy. On the sides of the bed definitely we need a side table, but यहाँ पे when you see this is a nice passage and there is a window on this side which gives an amazing view of outsides, and this is a bedroom which is attached to the terrace. So यहाँ पे उनको ये पैसेज जो है वो पूरा क्लीन चाहिए था, क्लियर चाहिए था, बिकॉज द व्यू आउटसाइड इज एब्सोल्युटली स्टनिंग. सो यहाँ पे उनको ये पॉसिबिलिटी चाहिए थी कि अगर इनको विंग चेयर रखना है एंड दे वांट अ फ्री स्पेस, इट इज पॉसिबल. तो हमने जो यहाँ के साइड टेबल्स लिए हुए हैं, that is a sliding side table which goes inside, and they have a full free passage over here. So this is about the bed side. Now let me show you the wardrobes. So let me first show you how we have designed this in the 3D, and this is the final outcome. Let me show you the details of this wardrobe. यहाँ पे हमने 3 door slider wardrobe बनाया हुआ है which is combination of laminate and PU finish and some mirrors. So now the internal of the wardrobe. So we have designed the internal as per the client's requirement. यहाँ पे we have given a sensor light, and this is a soft close wardrobe. ऊपर हमने loft ले लिया है which is handleless. So this is about the wardrobe side. Now let me show you the front side. Let me first show you how we have designed this wall in the 3D, and this is the final outcome. So as you can see 3D में हमने जो wallpaper design select किया था, suggest किया था, client wanted the same. तो इस घर में curtains, wallpapers, headboards हमने सब कुछ customize किया हुआ है. So this is the final outcome of that wall. We have this abstract face art over here, and it is looking really nice. Now we have this वर्किंग डेस्क पैनल ओवर हियर. यहाँ पे ये जो कंस्ट्रक्शन है दैट इज माय वन कंस्ट्रक्शन. जो हमें वर्किंग डेस्क अगर ले रहे हैं, सो डेफिनेटली वी वांटेड टू प्रोवाइड सम प्लग पॉइंट्स ओवर हियर. फॉर दैट वी हैव टेकन दिस पैनल, वर्किंग डेस्क व्हिच इज फोल्डेबल. सो दिस इज अबाउट दिस बेडरूम. Now let me take you to the other area.
Yeah, so for the guest room, we really ideally it was supposed to be a master bedroom, but we wanted to have it as a guest room, and complete with all the finishing and furniture. So it has dressing table, it has the TV also, and very sleek tables also, and the entire room is completely done up with full wardrobe and everything. The color combination and everything, again it was her suggestion, the color theme, and initially we were I mean we really liked it, but I was a bit apprehensive that how the color would go for long run. However, the design was looking really pretty, and eventually we said that okay, we will go ahead with that. and it has come out really nice, and it's looking really nice. So
Yeah.
we are really satisfied with that room also.
So this is the bedroom. यहाँ का जो client का requirement था, it was like they wanted as much as free space possible. A king size bed, big giant wardrobe with some nice open storage also, TV unit with some storage, nice dressing area, and again free space for circulation. So यहाँ पे first let me show you कि how this room was when we started the work. So this is the video when we first visited the site. Now after getting client's requirement, हमने बहुत सारे designs options share किए थे, and then this is what we finalized. Now let me take you on the tour of this bedroom. So first let me show you how we have designed the accent wall of this bedroom in 3D. So this is the final 3D which was approved by client, and now let me show you the real outcome over here. So first हमारा ये king size bed है with the hydraulic storage. यहाँ पे बेड जो है उसमें हमने हेडबोर्ड कुशन वाला डिजाइन किया हुआ है. Now as you can see exactly जो यहाँ पे आपको 3D में ये डिजाइन दिख रहा है, and this is the actual outcome. So जो even wallpaper है वो हमने कस्टमाइज किया हुआ है exactly as per the 3D. Even जो डिजाइनर वॉल लाइट्स है वो भी हमने वैसे ही फाइन किए जैसे 3D में प्रपोज किया था. So this is the accent wall. Now एक और रिक्वायरमेंट था क्लाइंट का कि उनको स्पेसिफिकली जितना हो सके ओपन स्पेस चाहिए. We have a nice window on this side and the view outside is amazing. So क्लाइंट का ये रिक्वायरमेंट था कि अगर फ्यूचर में उनको यहाँ पे कोई विंग चेयर रखना है या तो कुछ सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट करना है, so they should have a free space. So यहाँ पे we have 2 side units besides the table. उसको हमने स्लाइडिंग कर दिया है, so that whenever at the night you want to use it for the medicine or water bottle or keeping your specs or charging the laptop or anything, then you can just slide the table out, and it also has storage inside, and then you can just push it inside and get a free space next to your bed. Because this is a my-own construction, हमने यहाँ पे जितने भी electrical point shift करते हैं वहाँ पे हमें पैनल बनाना पड़ता है. So we have made this panel so that we can easily move the switchboards or add some points or whatever changes we want to make in the electrical things. So this is about the bed side. Now let me show you the wardrobe. So now this is the wardrobe side. First let me show you how we have designed this in the 3D. And this is what we have executed. Now let me show you the details of this wardrobe. First of all, हमने ये जो पूरा wardrobe है उसको sliding wardrobe किया हुआ है. We have given 3 slider doors over here. End वाला जो एरिया है उसको हमने एक open niche दिया हुआ है. So the reason is कि जो भी चीजें आपको handy चाहिए या कुछ artifacts रखने हैं या जैसे laptop रखना है, when you are working you just want to keep it very easily. So you should have one corner in the room जो आपको easily pick and drop चीजें कर सकते हो. And secondly ये भी था कि when we have opened the side units, तो तब वो end वाला जो corner है वो use करने में थोड़ा difficult हो सकता है. So for the functional use also what we decided was कि हम जो last portion है उसको open रखेंगे. We have given a very nice lighting inside which falls on the each shelf. Whenever you are keeping some artifacts or anything which needs some focus, then you can just switch on the lights. This lights also work as a night lamp because जब रूम की सारी लाइट्स बंद होती है, you have just this lights on, it gives you very soothing look. Now coming back to the wardrobe design. So ये पूरा जो wardrobe है उसमें हमने grey shade लिया हुआ है. As you can see ये जो पूरा room है उसका जो हमारा theme है that is of the grey shade. But at the same time we wanted to give some splash of nice fresh color. So that color over here is the orange color, and one color which is the neutral thing to balance the grey and orange is this wooden finish. So first let me show you कि जो wardrobe के internals होते हैं वो हर client के हिसाब से हम अलग अलग डिजाइन करते हैं depending on the lifestyle of the client. के client को अंदर जो चीजें रखनी है, how they want to organize it. So this is the 2D which we propose to the client for the wardrobe internal elevation, and this is the actual thing. So let me show you the first compartment. So we have this sensor light over here. As you can see, this is the sensor over here. So जब आपका डोर बंद होता है, आपकी लाइट्स अंदर बंद हो जाती है. Whenever you just open the shutter, this sensor starts working और आपकी जो LED है पूरे wardrobe की फ्रेम की वो स्टार्ट हो जाती है. तो तो दिखने में तो डेफिनेटली इट लुक्स अमेजिंग, बट एट द सेम टाइम फंक्शनली इफ आई वांट टू से कि जनरली कई बार ये हो जाता है कि वार्डरोब के अंदर इतनी सीलिंग लाइट नहीं आती है, सो ये लाइट आपको हेल्प कर लेती है वार्डरोब को प्रॉपर्ली इल्यूमिनेट करने में। यहाँ पे हमने एक हैंगर रॉड लिया हुआ है, देन वी हैव दिस मूवेबल शेल्फ, सो वी हैव दिस ड्रॉवर ओवर हियर, अंदर हमने फैब्रिक लैमिनेट लिया हुआ है, नीचे हमने ग्लास ट्रॉली दिया हुआ है, देन वी अगेन हैव वन शेल्फ ओवर हियर। यहाँ का जो वार्डरोब का हैंडल है, एज यू कैन सी 3D में हमने जो दिखाया था हमें एग्जैक्टली वैसे चाहिए था, बट मार्केट में हमें वो सेम फिनिश और सेम कलर नहीं मिल रहा था। सो व्हाट वी हैव डन ओवर हियर इज कि हमने ये वुडन का कस्टमाइज हैंडल बनाया हुआ है और उसके ऊपर हमने पीओ पॉलिश किया हुआ है। सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट कंपार्टमेंट, लेट मी शो यू द सेंटर कंपार्टमेंट। सो दिस इज द सेंटर कंपार्टमेंट। यहाँ पे अगेन वी हैव दिस हैंगर रॉड, दिस रिमूवेबल शेल्फ, वी हैव टू ड्रॉवर्स एंड देन अ बिगर शेल्फ बिलो, सो दैट यहाँ पे अगर बड़े बड़े कंबल रखने हैं या पिलो रखना है तो वो सारी चीजें यहाँ पे प्रॉपर्ली अकोमोडेट हो जाए। Now we have the last compartment of the wardrobe on this side. So this is the final compartment of the wardrobe. Again we have these beautiful lights. As you have seen in other two compartments, हमने छोटे hanger rods दिए हुए थे। यहाँ पे we have given a full height का storage space for the long blazers or suits, and then we have this glass trolley, drawer and division of the shelf. और ये जो सारे doors है, this is a soft close wardrobe. तो जैसे सेंटर का भी डोर है वो ऑटोमेटिक आपका सेंटर में एक जो उसका फिक्स पोजीशन है वहां पे आके अटक जाएगा, ये डोर दूसरी तरफ स्लाइड नहीं करता है, सो दैट इट इज मोर कन्वीनियंट टू यूज। नाउ वी हैव द लॉक ऑन द टॉप, सो एज यू कैन सी जो लॉक है उसको हमने कंप्लीटली हैंडललेस किया हुआ है। वी हैव गिवन अ फिंगर ग्रूव व्हिच ओपन्स द शटर्स and you can utilize it. So the purpose to keep it handleless is we wanted to give very minimalistic and neat look. So this is the curtain wall side. आप जैसे 3D में देख सकते हो what we have designed and we have exactly done the similar color combination on the side. So we have taken a one solid curtain and then उसके back side पे हमने sheer curtain लिया हुआ है। ऊपर as you can see we have this slide which falls on the curtain and this is a ceiling to floor touch curtain which gives a very luxurious look, and we have a very amazing view outside. So once you open the solid curtain, you have the sheer curtains. So whenever you want to change the look of the room or you want little bit sunlight entering in your room, you can just open the sheer curtain and this also looks amazing. Now let me show you how we have designed the dresser and TV unit side in the 3D. And this is the final outcome. Let me show you the details of this wall. So this is the bed front wall. यहाँ पे हमने टीवी यूनिट का पैनलिंग किया हुआ है। वी हैव द स्टोरेज और एक ऑरेंज कलर का हमने ओपन निश भी दिया हुआ है। टू एंड दिस वॉल वी हैव दिस ब्यूटीफुल लूवर पैनलिंग ऑन द साइड फ्रॉम द सीलिंग टू द स्टोरेज एंड देन वी हैव द ड्रेसर यूनिट ओवर हियर। सो यहाँ पे हमने जायंट ड्रेसर मिरर लिया हुआ है। सो जितना भी फर्नीचर आप घर में डिजाइन करते हो, इफ इट इज सीलिंग टच, इट डेफिनेटली गिव्स अ वाव फैक्टर। यहाँ पे जैसे हमने मिरर अगर लिंडल लेवल तक ही ले लेते तो इतना अमेजिंग लुक नहीं आता जितना वो सीलिंग टच फर्नीचर में आता है। सो एज यू कैन सी वी हैव दिस एलईडी टच मिरर ओवर हियर, वी हैव दिस प्रोफाइल and then once you open the shutter you have this giant storage behind the mirror for dresser unit. यहाँ पे नीचे हमने एक पैनलिंग किया हुआ है टू गेट द स्विचेस, बिकॉज यहाँ पे भी ड्रेसर अगर आप डिजाइन कर रहे हो यू नीड अ प्लग पॉइंट ऑन वन हैंड डिस्टेंस। नीचे हमने ड्रॉवर स्टोरेज लिया हुआ है विच इज अगेन अ सॉफ्ट क्लोज एंड वी हैव द फिंगर ग्रूव ऑन द बॉटम फॉर द इजी ऑपरेशन ऑफ द drawer shutters. We have this leg, so whenever you are getting ready you can keep some items on the shelf. So this is the TV unit side and dresser unit. So this is about this bedroom. Now let me show you the next area.
And lastly, I would say that for the balcony area, I mean the dry balcony area, there also we needed some modifications. So we were not sure that what kind of changes can be done in that area, which was a pretty good space. She also suggested regarding having an additional what you call sink there, and not only that, a covered space where pipes also, the whatever pipes are passing through the dry balcony, that get hidden, and in that space also it's like a covered one cupboard kind of thing has been built up where we can store our some of the utensils and all. So some kind of modifications and minor things which have added to the space. Also, the utility is good. In the same area, we are having some hidden cupboards where we can store some of the things there, and also a sink has been added. And also, we wanted our this dry balcony to be covered through, because it's an open area and there were a lot of rain splashes and all that was coming. So that she also could do that glass barricading of the entire area. So we got that also done from her.
So now this is the dry area of the house. यहाँ पे हमने civil work किया हुआ है. So we have placed a sink over here with a storage below. We deliberately wanted कि वहाँ पे जाके अगर खड़ा रहना है, so there should be a space. So that's the reason कि हमने ये granite पूरा wall to wall touch नहीं किया हुआ है. And then we have this sliding window over here for the dry balcony area. So on the door back side we have this unit जहाँ से पूरे building का duct pipe जाता है. So definitely उसको हमें cover तो करना ही था, but at the same time we wanted कि जितना भी use हो पाए, उतनी space को use हो पाए. So we have given this push to open shutter over here. यहाँ पे pipe है और नीचे और ऊपर हमने एक packing दे दिया है. On the shutter we have given this boxes for the bottle storage. So this was it, guys, about this beautiful 3 BHK. You can also follow us on our Instagram channel, that is Palaksha Interiors. Follow us, subscribe and share the work which you like. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.